Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Heidi, and on this video I want to talk about Aveeno's Calm and Restore Cream. I have been using this now for quite some time, so I feel confident enough to come on here and share my experience with the product with you guys. So I purchased this from Target and it retailed for like $21.99. And for that price, we are getting 1.7 ounces. It's pretty good, and it comes in a jar. And this is more of a oat gel moisturizer, and it really is like a gel consistency. As you guys can see, I'm almost done with the product. I have probably like 1/3 of the bottle, but it's a gel consistency. But yeah, it's very moisturizing and very like, for my sensitive skin, I really like it because it didn't break me out. And every time when it comes to any type of skincare, that is my big worry, is if it's going to break me out, and this did not do that. Since this is a gel, I really like to use this mostly during the day because it's very lightweight. Like, I just put it on and it dries pretty fast, and it doesn't leave like a greasy like fill or anything. It just dries and it goes into the skin, and it doesn't have a smell to it, which is also a plus. It has oats in it, which is really good for the skin to moisturize it and just keep the skin nice and moist. And I do feel that with this. There really isn't much. It doesn't do anything like a treatment where it's going to change the appearance of my skin. I only feel that it does moisturize my skin. You can also use it at night, but me, I like it during the day because it's very light, especially like right now in LA. It's starting to get sunny outside and a little bit warm, so I don't want to wear like a lot of product and be sweating and stuff. So something like this is really good. It's a really safe moisturizer for me. Don't worry about it breaking me out or irritating my skin. It's just nice and soothing and moisturizing. And that's what I love about a moisturizer, because that's what I look for in a facial moisturizer, is that it's just easy to apply. This, I can slather it on and not worry. So I really love that. I love that it's fragrance free. So I love it. I really cannot say anything bad about this product. Probably the only con would be the price. I think for drugstore is a little bit pricey, but I don't know. I guess if you find like coupons, it would be better. Also, another con would be that it comes in a jar. I wish it would come like in a tube, so it would be a little bit more sanitized, as opposed to when, you know, creams come in jars, you have to dig your finger in there, and it kind of gets contaminated by the bacteria that you might have. That's why I would like it if it would come in a tube instead of a jar like this. But other than that, I really like it. I do see myself repurchasing this after I finish this one because, like I said, it's really easy to use and I don't worry about it. It's so good. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.